How to add debit card to Cash app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can add debit card on Cash app. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Cash app in your mobile device. From your home page, navigate to your profile icon at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now from your account page, there's an option for linked banks. You have to tap on that option. Now under linked banks, there is an option for linked debit card. Tap on it. Now you can add your debit card. Here you have to enter your card details such as your debit card number, your 3-digit CVV number, expiration date and along with the zip code. Once you're done, simply tap on link card and if your information or your card information is correct, your debit card will be linked on your Cash app account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.